Okay, so on this Freightliner Classic, what we did back here, we end up installing these rear panel. We put 5 watermelon lights, and then in the inside we also have 2 more lights that are gonna be giving a nice glow at night. We also did the deck plate. We painted on white, just like the truck. He's gonna be getting a new paint job now. He used to have these hoses, like the trailer connections. He used to have them right here. So now what we went and did, we did this custom box. So we put 2 watermelons on the sides, and then all the connections for the trailer, they're gonna be going right on the metal. This is the other part of the deck plate that we did. Pretty much right now, the guys, what they're doing, they're working on the marker lights. We're getting new LEDs, marker lights. The interior is pretty much done. As you guys can see, door panels, floors, seats, dash, lighting, headliners. We did a lot of stuff in the interior that we're gonna be showing you guys on the video. As far as for all the products that you guys see, we got everything available on our website. You can always go there, check out for pricing. You can always give us a call. Also, we installed a right kit on this one. So we just painted the whole frame. So how you guys can see now, it looks cleaner. We end up installing the base that we sell. We did the bag and then the 2 chucks. So pretty much this is gonna be controlled with a solenoid and a switch. So he's just gonna be able to go up and down. We're done with this project. The client will be here any moment. He's gonna be picking up this truck today.
Amarilla, la dejaste mío.
So right now, pretty much what we're doing, we're opening the holes on the chassis for the trucks. on the air ride. I'm gonna be showing you guys what it looks like on the other side already. Pretty much on this side it's already done. We got the two chucks and we got the bag and the base set already. So the only thing that we're gonna be missing right now is gonna be running the airline to the back. Once we do, we're gonna be testing the system that everything is working how it's supposed to. Once that's done, we're gonna pull it out. We're gonna be doing some pressure washing and we're gonna refresh the paint on the chassis so everything will look clean. Other than that, pretty much we should be done today with this project, and then we just gotta jump in the inside, make sure that we got everything done in the inside how it's supposed to, and she's gonna be heading home tomorrow.